The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind. The mind is like an iceberg, it floats with 1/7 of its bulk above water. The curious paradox is that when I accept myself just as I am, then I can change. Happiness is not the absence of problems, but the ability to deal with them. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. The only journey is the one within. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. The way to gain a good reputation is to endeavor to be what you desire to appear. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. We do not see things as they are, we see them as we are. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. The good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. The mind is like a parachute. It works best when it's open. Wherever you go, there you are. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Change your thoughts and you change your world. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand. We listen to reply. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. Check best booksto. Boost your IQ in first pinned comment.